guys, today is going to be a good day. We're at the range and we're going to be shooting a Sig Sauer P322. But let's get straight into it. My dad is actually going to be shooting a huge pistol.
Show them the difference.
So
the size.
This
22.
That's a 22 caliber bullet versus the size of the bullet my dad's going to be shooting.
This is a 500.
700.
700 grain.
700 grain versus that's 15 grains, I think.
It's not that bad.
Not that bad, my ass.
Holy!
Oh my gosh. Holy hell. That has a kick.
Oh my gosh.
Holy moly.
Just push the rod.
Wow. Dude, you ain't shooting that a lot.
I'd break my wrist trying to shoot that. Holy.
I thought I did. That got my right wrist. I was like,
I know, that thing went boom.
holy crap. Not all at once.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, all in one sitting. Was when Shaw was with me. He wouldn't do it.
Wow.
I couldn't do that.
That is insane.
You want to try a three-handed here?
All right, time for the Sig.
Gotta cock it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, didn't go in.
It's not. There we go.
Do it again.
Dude, that thing never runs out. Oh my gosh.
So, I mean,
Oh.
it's not that bad.
Not that bad, my ass.